So today is 29th of August and I was waiting for a trade for an entry. Today Nifty opened on a huge gap down as Dow Jones was 1000 points. Dow Jones closed 1000 points below on Friday's trading session. So Nifty was Nifty opened in a huge gap down, as you can see. So I was waiting for an entry in the call position, but uh, I couldn't gather the courage. But somehow, technically, it was right. If I entered in a C position, and I could have gained 100 points. But I thought of waiting for 10:30. Like I would enter after 10:30, and till 10:30, while I was waiting, I was being anxious. And I started to find out what was the root cause of my anxiety. It was not that I missed the trade, I missed the chance on a winning trade or something like that. I was getting anxious just because I was not into the game. I just wanted to be in the trade, not sit out and watch. And it doesn't matter whether I lose or I win, because more than winning or losing, I love the intensity during the trade, which is a very bad thing, and I don't know how I should change it. But anyways, so so I entered after 10:30, around 10:30. This was the candle that I entered at. I entered at 17,317 in a PE position, a PE of 17,000, and this is my SL 17,338. So I don't have any fixed target as of now. The opening of today is one of my targets, and I'll see. And one important thing is that today Nifty can be news based, so I'll follow up with the news also. And I'll trail my SL to here, to this point, the high made by Nifty today. And in case Nifty reverses, then I can easily exit. But actually, my SL is at 338 and I entered at 317. So 20 point SL is okay for the PE of 17,000. And this is a very bad feeling that I was going through. I was being very anxious to get into the trade. Lack of patience and my emotions getting over me. So I didn't meditate today as I got up late. But discipline in my life in general affects my trading. I have realized that. So, anyways, I'll discuss it later. Let's see what happens. And that's it. Nifty came a bit down, and again it is rallying upwards. So I think that I should put my SL a bit higher. not because Nifty is traveling high, but because this SL, uh, this line 344 line 17344. Let me show you on daily time frame. Yeah. Yes. So this is the daily time frame, and my SL is the lower red line, which is 338, and logically the SL should be 344. No, 344 should be the SL because it was the low of the previous candle. Near the previous candle, which is near today's point. So uh, maybe I'll keep 344 as my SL and then trail it to 338, and as such I'll once 338 gets crossed, then I'll once Nifty comes below 300, then I'll trail it to 338, and then I'll keep trailing it like I'll keep trailing it to this point, and then I'll keep trailing it to here somewhere, or if Nifty crosses 200, I'll trail my SL to here. So, so logical, I tried to keep my SL low, and that is the only reason I kept 338 my SL, because 317 and 338 20-point SL. So, but now when I look at it, I couldn't find any logic. So 344 should be my SL, but the option chain, as you can see, 1,37,000 open interest and 1,34,000 change in open interest for 17,300 call. It was not high, it was something 70,000 or something like that, 60,000. But people entered today in call writing. So this is a point to look out for. And if Nifty breaks 17,350, 380, then it will rally towards this point, which is 17,500, which I don't think today would be possible. But here also at 17,300 put side, we have 1,59,000 open interest and 1 lakh change in open interest. So 17,300 is a vital point where all the call writers and put writers have accumulated. And if Nifty breaks 17,300, then it will fall down to 17,200. This is my trade. It's as soon as I hit my SL, I'll exit. But till then, in 15 minutes time frame, Nifty is showing a N pattern. N pattern. Nifty rallied from yes, it rallied from here till the top, fell down till 280, then again it is rallying up. So in 15 minutes you can clearly see a N pattern, whereas in 5 minutes, anyways, so I'm still here, and once my SL of 17344 gets hit, I'll exit my position. 344 means almost 30 points, so which is not bad for index in Monday. So, but I was trying to keep this high, my target, but anyways, market is volatile today. There is a lot of news, and today it will be a news-based market. So let's see. I had exited from my trade. My SL got hit. Actually, this was not my SL, but this was. So when my SL got hit, I exited at 17351 in this candle. Then it rallied to 370 something. It came to 370 almost, and then it is falling from 370. I was uh, I was hoping to switch my position uh, to enter a call position, but somehow I stopped myself, and now uh, I don't want to re-enter again in a PE. So yeah, my trade done for today. I've taken my SL, and I could have entered in this point exactly when Nifty broke on the third candle. I could have entered in the third candle. My P of 17,000 is now 34, but I booked at 28. I bought it at 36, and so 390, almost 400 rupees loss. I took the loss. I should have entered in the call position, which I tried, but uh, I gave a limit price for the call of 17,500, which didn't got activated till 10:30. And when market has made this thing, this in this range, I thought of taking a put because I thought market will come down and make a range, but Nifty didn't came down and make any range. It is still rallying up. So yeah, that's it for me today. And I have to do something with my with my anxiety, being with my impatience that I need to get inside the trade now. Whenever the market opens, I need to get in the trade. I need to get in the trade. I need to change this thinking. So a lot of work is required on my psychology because profit and loss at the end of the day, 400 loss, 2000 loss, 200 profit, it doesn't count. But the thing that count is what I learned. So I could have entered in the call position here because the price action was bullish, and if I would have entered at here somewhere here 280, 290, then I could have got like 370, almost 80 points. So anyways, that's it. And my learning PNL for today is I shouldn't be anxious to get into a trade, and I should let the chart. No, charts are. I should let the chart print on the candle print on the chart instead of printing it on my mind. So that's it. I'll try to wait for next time and enter. And I really need to practice some patience. So that's it. I'll trade again tomorrow if possible.